welcome back to another unboxing video. I know it's been a while, I've been super busy, but I have time finally, and I got something pretty interesting in here. This is the Crane M2S, and it is a camera gimbal, and on Amazon it was specifically advertised for the ZHIYUN. So we're gonna test it out, unbox it, and see how stable of a video we can get. So this should be pretty awesome for future videos I have planned. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and see how it performs. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Gonna try to find a good place to cut on the plastic, probably like right here. There we go. And there's a little seal at the bottom and one at the top. Okay. And, oh, this is interesting. It's a really weird foam case. And there we go. So already this looks pretty awesome. Can zoom in a little bit. So right here we have instructions, I'm assuming. That's what it looks like, yep. Service card. Yeah, I'm gonna go through this later. That's a pretty thick book. But here's the gimbal itself. So you can see it has a joystick and it has a screen and USB-C port. And another interesting thing about this is it has a light. So that'll be really useful. I think this is a little tripod for it, yeah. So you can set it down and still have stable shots. I think this is like a mounting bracket, probably like for quick release. Got a screw, and then this is probably a charger. Okay, yeah, so that's all the cables and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the instructions, and I will be back once this is set up. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the gimbal. I set it up, took a little bit of setup, but I think I got it working pretty good. It's very stable. So another cool thing that I actually didn't notice that was in the box is it comes with these little light filters right here. And I apologize for the audio because I'm recording with my phone, but as you can see, you can change the color. These little light modules magnetically attach. So we have red, we have blue, we have orange, and we also have yellow. So another cool thing that I found out, let me turn this light off, is so you can move it around with the joystick, so you can control it like that. But one cool thing is if you triple tap the trigger on the back, it rotates all the way around. So you can use it as like a vlogging camera like that. And it is very, very stable. It also works with your phone. But I'm gonna be using it for my camera, for YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some test footage on this, see how it looks. As you can see on here, when you walk around, you can see there's a little screen right there, joystick, there's a mode button. So I can control this and triple tap, whole camera rotates around so you can see yourself. It's pretty awesome. There isn't like a zoom function from what I can tell. There we go. But yeah, I have an Arca Swiss mount on here too. So if I move this around, you'll see it just to make things easier. But yeah, it seems to hold the weight of the camera pretty well. And if I wanna, here we go. If I want to record, I can hit the record button on here, and I don't have to touch the camera. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some test footage with this and we will see how stable it is. And yeah, this thing already, like, there's a few different modes on here. Not sure what they all do, but some of them do different movement. And there's one like this, which is go mode, and I've noticed that makes turns on it a lot easier. And you can see here, there's like some other settings. You can auto level it, calibrate joysticks, all that. And you can also do software updates on it, which I didn't know about. I haven't tried that yet. But yeah, all around a really, really good camera gimbal. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get it. I can also leave a link for the cage I have on my ZV-1. A lot of this stuff I was inspired to get by this YouTuber on here. You'll see, I'll put his channel up there. I'll also link it in the description. Really, really awesome guy. Does awesome videos, especially with the ZV-1, and it's what inspired me to get this camera for my YouTube videos. But yeah, let's go get some test footage and see how stable this is. Alright, so as you can see, this thing is really, really stable. I wasn't really sure what to record, but you know, I feel like this does get the job done. So I'm going to be bringing this with me when I go places for sure. Stay tuned for future videos. I actually made a second channel. It'll be up here. It's called Divine Paranormal. I know it's not really that creative of a name, but I wanted to make another channel for when I do videos like ghost hunting and stuff, so I can keep that separate. I got a ton of equipment that I'm going to use. Stay tuned for a future video where I can show what I have, but there's a couple places I want to check out, and I think it'd be kind of fun to do, and I'll definitely bring this along with me because this makes such a huge difference. So if you enjoyed my review of the Crane M2S, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really means a lot to me, and we're almost to 800 subscribers, which is really, really awesome. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.